Did I get a quick fix? I did. So if you want to hear why and see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Dexter are in the other room and Bandit's out in the living room with my mom. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out and stopping by. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with Miss Fashion Beauty. We do a little bit of everything here, Dollar Tree hauls, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So with my last Stitch Fix, they always say, do you want a quick fix? And I always say no. And I said no. Then when you go on, because I like to go on and like rate things I would like, so the algorithm kind of gets a better idea as to what kinds of things I like. They have like this thing where you can get a fix around an item you've saved. So you're definitely going to get that item. So there was this pair of boots that I wanted, but I wanted to get them in a fix so I could get the 25% off. And that was one of them. And I was like, yeah, I really want those boots. So I'll do it. And then I thought I had heard that you don't get a preview, but I did. So I got to choose all 8 items in the box. I believe it's 8 items. So let's get into it. And I'll show you those boots first. They're kind of cute. All right, we have some jewelry. And I really liked this. I'm actually wearing the necklace from my last fix. So yeah, I really liked this set. As always, there's my prices, my adorable little stylist, Katie, and a little note from her, but I won't bore you guys with the note. But it does have all the prices. So the price of this entire box, all 8 items, is $4.68. If I buy everything in the box, if I buy 5 or more, I get a 25% discount. But the price for this entire box with that discount is $3.51, so that's a $117 discount. So I don't know that I'm going to get everything in this box, but I picked things that I thought kind of felt a little spring forward to me. Now this outfit, I did get the sweater and the pants from Wantable, and I had to size down with both because they were both oversized. The pants are from 78 and Sunny, which is their in-store brand, and they do tend to run a little bit big. I don't remember who the sweater was by, but it also ran quite large, so I actually sized down to a small. Then I have like a little tank top underneath of it that I thought matched perfectly from 9 West. I think we got it at Kohl's. It's actually my daughter's. And my shoes I got from a previous fix. Okay, so here is the bag to return anything. Put that aside for later. Same with the note. And let's look at these boots that I really wanted. I mean, they've got the little fur lining inside. They've got a little bit of a height, but not too much. Super cute, like the brown. So super excited. These are DV by Dolce Vita. They usually feel pretty good on. They usually fit very good. So I have found that. Versus, they have so many cute sneakers and shoes in the Blowfish line, and they're so uncomfortable, at least on my feet. I do have a little bit of a wider feet, but I don't need necessarily get a wide width. I go up a size and I'm usually fine. They tend to run narrow. I love the look. I don't like the feel of those, which is too bad because you can often find those at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, probably Ross as well. We don't have a Ross here. First, from Pink, there is this yellow sweater, and it's a little bit more closer fit. Something that's just really, I think, spring forward. It's in this beautiful like limoncello shade, and it has just some nice tortoise buttons, tortoise shell buttons that go all the way down. It has that little cable knit, but it's not overly heavy. It kind of has a nice weight to it. Next, from Letty and Me, is another one of these cardigans. I love cardigans for layering in the springtime. This does look a little big, but it might fit perfectly. it kind of has that crocheting and a little bit of a black stripe in there, and then a wider band at the bottom. It also kind of has some banding down here that's kind of crocheted in. All right, the sleeves. So it has like a few different crochet patterns in there. Next, from Pale Sky, I really liked the color on this. So it's just a little zip up hoodie, and got the hood here. But I really liked the color. It's like a blue-gray color, and it does have like some interesting detailing in the front here, as you can see, little front pockets, and just something for like a nice casual day. Now, I did specifically put in my note to Katie how much I had liked the black tank that I had gotten, and I would look forward to getting more like those for kind of layering options. So there is this orange one from Market and Spruce, and what a great spring color. It's almost like a tangerine color, and it does have that ruching on the side, which I really liked. So glad that she listened. So this is where there is definitely a dedicated stylist, because she read that and responded back in her note to me, which I did read online, how, you know, she had chosen this based upon my enjoying this last item. Next, by Montgomery Post, is this little layering tank. Now, I thought this was more like the other tank as far as feel wise, more of that kind of t-shirt feel. It's more of a silky feel, but we'll give it a try. We'll see. I really like that detailing right there. Okay, and then last, so these were offered to me in the last preview for my last fix, and I said no. And I said no for two reasons. One was the price. They were pretty pricey at $108. But then afterwards, I was like, oh, I really wanted to try those. I should have said yes. They'll probably never offer them again, and I'm definitely not going to buy them outright unless they're on some kind of crazy sale. But then I was like, you know what, 25% off, like it's not so bad. But the other thing was that it said it was a 10 petite, times 32. And I'm like, okay, is that supposed to be the waist or the inseam? Because either way, that's not right. Like a 32 inseam is not a petite length. Like that's a regular length. So let me show them to you. Anyway, they're by 41 Hawthorne. And they're like a dark indigo, almost a black. And they're pull-on. I was like, oh, that seems like that would be so comfy. So we'll try them on. I hope they're not too long, or I don't know, maybe I hope they are too long so that I don't end up getting them. But they seem really comfy, so we'll see. Okay, I'm going to get to trying stuff on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I wanted to just try on this little hoodie jacket with the jeans I was wearing, because I didn't know how well it would go with those other jeans, which are kind of wide leg and a little bit more, I don't know, like something I would dress up, versus these jeans, which are definitely like dress them up or dress them down, doesn't matter. They're just kind of a nice cozy feel. And I do like it. I like the color. It's nothing super exciting, but on the other hand, it's a nice lightweight fabric, so it doesn't have like a heavy layer inside. It's something that could really transition into the spring, and it's kind of just a nice, like, hanging around the house, doing some cleaning, can throw it on, go take the dog out, come back in. Our weather here is a little wonky. Yesterday it was 30 degrees, today it was 55, tomorrow it's going to be probably 30 degrees again. By Sunday it's going to be almost 70. So it's a little wonky this time of year, so this is a great layering piece. Let's look at the price and, you know, we'll decide at the end. So this is, again, by Pale Sky. It's the Lana full zip hoodie sweatshirt in, it says light gray, size medium, 59. I'm pretty sure it said it was like a blue gray in the preview, so I'm going to go with that. It's got a little bit more blue to it than gray, or maybe it's like a green, I'm not sure. Let's see. So that's a green. I don't know, maybe it's a green gray. But I do like it. It would be 25% off of that. So, you know, the price isn't bad when you look at the discount you're getting. And they still give a discount, or at least, I don't know if you have to be grandfathered into that. I heard somebody else say that they were grandfathered into getting the discount. I'm not really sure. I do have a code down below that saves you $25 off your first fix. It also gives me $25 off if you want to give it a try, but I can't promise you get the 25% discount. I also get the Style Pass, which I know they no longer offer, but some people were grandfathered in. They got rid of it because so many people were just getting boxes, not keeping anything, returning it, and getting another box. And I think that was a lot of like YouTube influencers to just show like all these clothes, but not keeping anything. And they were like, wait a minute, like we're working for free. I typically keep at least 5 items. So I think that's why I got to keep it, because I don't do the fast fixes. And I do keep a lot of the items, and even if I did quick fixes and I had the money to keep multiple items, I probably would. That's the whole reason I don't do the quick fixes, because I don't need that much new clothes. I need some new things to kind of beef up my wardrobe. So, yeah, basically what I'm saying is I don't know if they still offer that or not. You'd have to check that out. All right, let's try on something else. So here is the first outfit that I put together. I went with that yellow cardigan. It's super soft, super buttery. Really like it, with the orange tank underneath. Ooh, there's my bra strap. You don't want to see that. It's got like that ruching, which can accentuate the tummy, I know, but it also is nice when you've got something like this. And if you wanted to button it up a little bit, it's not like overly big. And yeah, I don't know, I like it. Here's the pants. So I was worried about the length. The length is actually not a 32, so that's good. It's actually a perfect length. I've definitely got in petites much longer than this, but that's perfect, particularly with these boots. The boots are everything I thought they would be. Really like them. There's the boots. Super cozy, super soft on the inside. My socks just glided in. So nice. And I'm standing around in them now. They are super comfy. So they're coming to me. Okay, so we have the pink Artois, Artoia, I don't know. Fitted cable cardigan in yellow, that's $49. The DV by Dolce Vita Mira Booty in brown, and that is $70. And the 41 Hawthorne Avon pull-on mid-rise cargo in indigo, so I was right about the color, $108. And the Market and Spruce Marni sleeveless v-neck in an orange red, and that is $35. So cheaper than the last one was. I don't remember who the last one was by, but cheaper than the last one was. It's a great layering piece. Yeah, I know I got that little belly there that you can see, but I think it's a great layering piece. I will probably end up keeping it because of that. The sweater I love, and these jeans are so super cozy. So I'm going to have a hard time not keeping them. But then, like, realistically thinking, like, okay, so they're $78, $79, something like that. I don't know. I can almost justify that. Yeah. I don't know, but this is looking bad, guys. This is looking like another 8 for 8. I went up to the 8 because typically out of 5, I would like 4, and then I would keep the 5th just to get the 25% off. But now that I'm getting the 8, I don't know. It's like this stylist is right on top and knows exactly what I'm going to want. So, well, it's hard. It's really hard. All right. The necklace set is also 41 Hawthorn. This is the Lennox necklace set in silver tone, 49. And I really, really love each of these pieces in here. I think it's just some great, great pieces. So, yeah, I'm feeling like I want to keep that too. Let's try on that last outfit. And here is that last tank top and cardigan. Really like the cardigan. I don't know if I would size down or keep it at this size. I will say that because it seems like it's a good fit. Not overly baggy. And I'm afraid if I went down a size, it would probably be a little bit too fitted. So this would probably be the size that I would get. So here it is all buttoned up. And here's that top underneath. So I like the look of it. It is kind of a silkier feel than I would want it in. I would want it more in kind of that cotton knit type feel like the tank top is. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to think on that. I also don't necessarily like it with this particular cardigan. It might look better with something else, but definitely not with this cardigan. This cardigan would actually go really nicely with the one that I got in my last fix. See, now that it's open, it feels like super big though. I don't know, I'll have to go look in a mirror, but the yellow one I really like. That was a nice fit. Nice and soft fabric. This one is very interesting. I like the crocheting. I like the different patterns in it. I'm not sure about the fit of it though. And the jeans I really like. They are so stinking comfortable. So, hard decisions. Well, let me know what you guys think. What would you keep? What would be the keepers for you? Or is like none of this your style and you'd be like, I wouldn't keep any of it. Which is fine. We all have different styles and that's okay. But it is like my style, which is just, yeah, I don't like this at all with this cardigan. I mean the cardigan with this tank, not at all. Yeah, that's a little better. But let me know your thoughts. Again, I kind of like this kind of casual, easy wear kind of stuff. I don't get super fancy dressed up. Sometimes I'll throw a blazer on with like jeans or some twill pants, but I'm not really a suit kind of gal. I'm not really a dress kind of gal either. I'll wear dresses like in the summertime out and about, but for work I can wear jeans, so I do. So kind of like it that way. All right, but let me know your thoughts. I'm getting super hot with this heater. I'm going to turn it off because I'm getting red, I can see. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you haven't already. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.